So are you ready for the opportunity of a lifetime? This is your chance to be part of the Mercedes EQ Formula E team, the most innovative and high-performing team on the track. So we've partnered with Modis to find the perfect candidate for this unique job. Together with Modis, we are innovating and engineering for the future of e-mobility. And in that sense, we truly are engineering a smarter future together.
Good to have you here. How are you doing? So we're just setting up the car for tomorrow.
Hey there. Pretty exciting being on track, isn't it? Looking forward to have you on the team with us next season. See you there.
So we're looking for the best talent to work together with me to shape the future of this team and the organisation as a whole. I'm looking for somebody that's a strong communicator with an understanding of engineering as well. But most importantly, I'm looking for somebody who's up for the challenge and solution orientated. If that sounds like you, I'd love for you to apply now. Please go to modis.com to apply.
Engineering a smarter future together.